I think it's a carrot.
Yeah. Red.
Lestr.
Alright. We're back finally. We got the pit bike tore apart. Jagger's over here working on it.
Got a little top end action here.
Little top end.
Just do a timing chain in it. Currently scraping the gasket off. This thing's gonna rip.
Oh yeah.
Be like brand new.
Brand spanking new. Look at it. Already put the upgraded suspension in it. Front forks. Got a raised handlebar. What else should we get?
We're getting ready for the Augusta County Nationals.
Yep.
Alright.
It's a big deal around here.
It is a big deal. There's a lot of hitters around here, and we ain't taking it very lightly this year.
Mm-mm.
So.
See over here, got the extra parts that we need, old parts, you know. We're going. She's coming back. Might take a little bit of time, but that's all we got.
We'll update you here in the future.
Yep. Remember right here, the go-kart, 40 mile an hour. Predator goes 212 TCCC for Predator Racing. Custom. Motors for sale if anybody wants it. $300.
Might be a future video with the go-kart here for long.
Yep.
You have to stay tuned, watch for that one.
100%. Jolene, what's up? Dozer, what's up? Let's get this thing thrown back together. Alright, we got all the gaskets scraped off, throwing the piston back in here.
Getting there ready to go.
Getting there. Jolene is still in the same spot. Snap, snap, snap.
Rocket it.
Chew, buddy.
Alright, we got the piston in the cylinder, gasket cleaned off. We're about to put the wrist pin in and the other clip and move on to the head. There we go.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Wow.
Alright. Bell back on here. There's a pin in. Whew. We're working with something now.
We're going. We're freaking flying now.
We're going to something now. Make sure everything's seated all the way. And then we'll throw in the clip. Put this rag in here. Be a bad day if we drop that clip down in the crank.
Bush Light, sponsor us.
Still waiting on that.
Still waiting on the sponsor. Still just starting out, but we love your beer.
That we do.
Yep. So refreshing. Oh, look at this guy.
The brains of the operation is rolled up.
Wow. Wait till we see this cat over here. And then brought the Toyota. I didn't think you'd make it this far. You just showed up.
The brains brains.
The brains of the operation. I'm here to fix dirt bikes and drink beer. What do you think? Which one are you doing first?
Beer.
Beer. 100%.
You gotta have a little liquid encouragement.
Yeah.
Helps the brain.
How else did you know what you're doing?
Confidence in what you're doing.
Yeah. Like right now, I don't really know what's going on, but here in like 3-4 beers,
You're gonna, this thing will be ripping.
this thing will be flying to the moon.
Dang right.
Come
In a
on.
minute.
Look at that idiot. I didn't think Toyota would make it here this far.
She's really good today.
Really?
I don't know why. She's really good. Just purring.
Purring.
You gotta keep it in high RPMs though.
Yeah.
You let her ball down, she's
Oh, man.
fucking a little bit. Just temporary.
Sorry.
Dude, stretch it out. Stretch her out. Alright, well, let's put this thing back and go. What do you say?
Yeah.
What we got, Jacob?
All right, we got the head together. Just put some new valves in it. Got everything lubed up, greased up.
Little
I mean-
go-go juice.
Might put a little special sauce in there. We don't know yet.
Special feature to Land Shark. Shout out Dylan.
Yeah.
Not really a fan, Dylan. Gotta say.
We're about to put this thing on.
Spit on it. Sometimes you just need to use a hammer too.
Hammer and a nail.
All right. Head's on. We all say we torque this thing down.
Let's torque her down and go get some food.
Torque it down. Everything.
Oh, we got a piece of grass in the flywheel.
Did we?
Yeah.
Mother.
We'll get that
It's
out.
alright.
It'll burn out.
It'll burn out.
It'll burn out.
Some backyard shit right here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's crazy.
So we used to put the fucking torque that down, put the damn
We need to put some oil on these here. What's that?
cam on it. No, what's that thing called?
King gear?
The thing the chain rides on.
King gear.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta put that
Put
on.
that on. And
Get
then
it in
put the
time. And then just the valves and put the valve cover on and
bolt her up, but
put the carburetor on it and give her a little kick. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, buddy.
Dylan's like, wait for me, I got little legs.
Yeah.
We're torquing the head down. We just did the first torque sequence at like 9 foot-pounds. Now we're doing 15. And yeah, we're gonna do this, go get some lunch and get some filler gauges and finish this thing up.
Oh my God.
What's up?
Hold on.
That's the wrong side.
Oh my God, he stripped it.
Oh my gosh.
We're going to weld it
Oh
down.
my God, weld it.
We're gonna weld it down.
Hold on now.
Snap.
There we go.
You hear that? See, I can feel it. That's the difference between me and you, Jacob.
Yeah.
I don't need no
I'd have been
fucking-
done already.
I don't need no gauge. $400.
Yeah, who's Gage?
Yeah. I don't need nothing like that.
Then why ain't you building it?
I will. I just wanted to see if you could do it.
Oh yeah, right. 'Cause I haven't proved
See if you still got it.
See if I still got it.
Yeah.
Star pattern. What are you doing?
Already did a star pattern.
I store pattern. 4 bolts.
I think we're good.
One more. Yep.
All right, we got it.
Let's go to lunch.
All right, we just got back from lunch. Now we're going to throw this ignition cover on and make sure we're on top dead center. Throw our team gear on and set our valve lash and just button it up. And that's really about it.
I'm ready to rip, huh?
Ready to rip.
Heck yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go. Let's do it. We'll pick her back up when she's damn near back to being done. All right. Final product. Here she's all back together. Next to these hooligans. Phew, she's running. Fired right up, bud. And help if I turn the key on. Okay. It's a bad look. There we go.
Oh yeah, but like kitten.
Hers like a kitten, bud. Are you ready? Alright, we're going to go rip it. Whoa! Alright, Jacob's done left. We're gonna load up the bikes. He's probably at Allison's right now. He probably knows that we're throwing a surprise birthday party, and this whole time we were keeping away from Allison's to let her get everything set up. But I also need him a bike fixed, mainly because she asked us to bring the pit bikes over to come ride over there. But right here, I got mine and Dustin's pit bike here with the moped for Logan. Whoever else wants to ride it. Don't even have to strap down the pit bikes. Right there.
Like swimwear, bud.
So, wish I hit the road, dude. Dude. Here we go. Alright, here we go. We're at Allison's place behind her house. Got a little hill climb here. Oh. There we go. All right, Dustin, come on. Nice.
It's just steeper than it looked. Steeper than I thought it was too. It's all pretty flat in here.
Yeah, all back here is good.
Yeah.
Is that your bike I'm riding?
Yeah.
Just in case I run into a tree.
You're good. There's no way you go hurt any worse than I ever had.
Left side, bud. Here we go.
Just watch your foot on that rock. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
All right, guys. This is Jacob's birthday. Yeah. We're all loaded up. Jacob?
I had no idea what was happening. They had me fooled.
What? We had a couple wobble pops, but
Little wobble.
what do you think, Jacob?
That was awesome. I was very shocked. I had no idea.
Dude,
I think it's a carrot.
it's a little red.
Lestr.
Yep. This thing's gonna float us home. We got everything loaded up.
Y'all gonna unload the mopeds like halfway back and ride it?
I'll ride it from here.
I'll follow him.
I swear to God,
I'll follow him.
I swear.
No way.
Unload that motherfucker.
Do it.
I gotta stop cussing. I'm gonna be there. Bleep that out, Blake.
All right. I will.
I think 2 plus 4, 36, 36.
Oh, all right. Well,
We'll see you on the next one, brother.
signing out.
Might be a short video, but
Yeah, short one, but hey, it's a good one.
What's going on TikTok?
All right. Catch you on the next one.